So here we are, as you can see, number 4 Colinton Close. Now this is a mid-town house. It's been owned by the same family since brand new, so it's never been raced or rallied, and it's been well modernised and looked after. It's quite a nice little setting where it is. Just immediately outside here is a lawn tree, public area, and some parking just here. Okay, now bear in mind there is parking on the front road. Well, I'm calling it the front road, the back road, which is the main road. This is actually a small cul-de-sac where the entrance is, and there is a drive-in for a car with gates. So go into the front garden. There you have it. Gravel patio, a little bit of astroturf. Isn't it nice to see a bit of effort made to make things pretty? Nice entrance door. So spin it around, that's the outlook. There we go. Now, into the hall. So nice little entrance hall. Everything's uPVC double glazed, and gas combi central heating. So as we go into the kitchen, this was originally 2 separate rooms, and well, I'll turn the radio. Oh, no, I won't. I'll just leave the radio. Doesn't matter. So this is now opened up into one big room, as you can see. Makes it a lot more spacious, and you've got a window at each end, so that again gives more light. Because the stairs are on our left here, we've got cupboards underneath the stairs just there. So we've got an oven, we've got a hob. I will just do you have to pay? Turn that off. That's a bit better, isn't it? Stainless steel sink. And there's a dishwasher here that's going to be included. It's an Indesit dishwasher, and you've got provision for a tumble dryer as well. So uPVC double glazed throughout. From here there's a little porch, and that takes us out into the back garden, but we'll come back to that in a minute. It's just to get your bearings. So I'm going to go back to the front of the house and show you the lounge. Now the door in front of us here is from the lounge as well. Okay, so there we go. Back through the kitchen. Here's the entrance. Stairs in front, kitchen on the right, and the main lounge is, well, the lounge is here. Again, it's a decent size, is this. Laminate flooring down, uPVC double glazed windows at both ends of the room. Now just over here, there's a feature fireplace. This little fire here is going with the vendor. It's only a plug-in electric one, but the fire surround is going to stay. Again, radiators at this end. There we are. How about that? So, I think we'll go back out here and we'll go into the back garden, and then we'll go upstairs, okay? So this is the back aspect. You can see here there's a drive-in for a car. Nice timber deck patio, it's all fenced, stocked borders. There we go. And just go out onto the main road for a moment. Let's fix this gate. Saying I'll fix the gate. Okay, I won't. There you go. That's behind us. Alright. So you can't do the gate with one hand, need to. But you get the idea. Plenty of room to drive a big car in, van, anything you want. Lovely. So we'll go back inside and we'll just pop upstairs where we've got 3 bedrooms. So staircase, The top of the stairs, we have 2 cupboards, one of which has got the central heating boiler in, which is a Valent gas boiler, again radiator on the landing. This is what I've called the main bedroom here. Not much in it between the first and seconds, but I've called this the main bedroom because there's a double wardrobe there. So on the right hand side here we have the bathroom with an electric shower above the bath and a separate loo. The loo's in here. There we go. So 2 bedrooms left. Second bedroom, or possibly the main, depends how you want to use it. Decent size. And a very good sized third bedroom actually. No bulkheads of stairs or anything in the way. Just a pretty good size third bedroom. Alright, well folks, that's more or less the end of the tour. We'll go back out through the way we came in, and thank you for your trouble in looking at the property. I'm sure you're impressed. It's, I mean, 3 bedroom house with central heating, double glazing, parking. You know, it's not bad value for money, is it? And as you can see, it's been maintained. Anyway, thank you very much. And if you'd like to view, please call Cardwell's. We're available 7 days a week. And we'll be delighted to show you through. But you will need an appointment. It's viewing strictly by appointment only. If you're thinking of moving and you'd like a valuation on your house, then we'll be delighted to give you a free valuation. It is free, and we don't do hassling either and chasing people up. Not for the valuations, no, we don't. Okay, thank you so much. Goodbye.
Should you wish to view this property or have a valuation on your own, please visit us at cardwells.co.uk or alternatively via the contact details on screen.